On August 21, 1791, a voodoo ceremony at Bois Caïman, Haiti, was the scene of the first major assembly of African slaves in Haiti, an event that led to the slave rebellion known as the Haitian Revolution. White European colonial slave owners viewed the voodoo ceremonies as harmless exercise of the slave religion, making such rituals the only opportunity for large numbers of slaves to meet. Duddy Bookman, a voodoo priest and slave looked up to by other slaves, was named by a mysterious woman who appeared during the ceremony as the supreme chief that would lead the slaves in a rebellion to freedom. Bookman would die in November of 1791, missing out on the eventual victory of the Haitian slaves that would not come until 1804, when the rebellion resulted in an independent Haiti ruled by former slaves, the only successful slave revolt in history. Have you ever been to Haiti or know any Haitians?